If you want to download the Pinterest app on iPad, first open the Settings app and scroll down a bit and open Screen Time and Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn on this and open this first option, iTunes and App Store purchases, and make sure these three options were turned on, and also don't require option were selected. Back. So now just click Touch ID and passcode, and here make sure iPad unlock, Wallet and Apple Pay, iTunes and App Store option were turned on. Then after this, just minimize this and open App Store and just click this search tab here and just type Pinterest, search and open this and just click Get. If it asks your Apple ID password, you just need to enter that. After that, if you download the third or fourth time, it won't ask. After this, if you download any app, it will ask like this. You want to just place your Touch ID and that's it, it's done. The app is going to download. So this is. In case if it shows any error, you just need to download any free VPN. Turn on the VPN, then try to download the Pinterest app. It also useful if you can't sign into Pinterest app. Turn on the VPN, then sign in to your Pinterest app, then it hopefully works. Yeah, it's download, just open. Here it is, just sign into your Gmail account, that's it. So here you can see it's downloaded. And in case if you want to download this Pinterest app to the Windows computer or laptop, watch this video.